Hello guys, welcome to All Over the Mechanic, and today's episode we're gonna replace a Subaru steering pump gasket. Where's my steering pump gasket? This one. Subaru steering pump gasket because it's leaking, and Subaru, I think it is a Subaru IMPREZA. Yeah, it's Subaru IMPREZA. Subaru IMPREZA. We're gonna replace the steering pump because it's leaking, and hopefully it's the right parts, because on my experience Subaru is quite, aftermarket parts for Subaru is quite hard. Hopefully this is the right parts, but before we start, hit the intro.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last.
The year of this one is 2008. 2008 Subaru IMPREZA. This one. What's that? It's only rubber. So guys, this is the steering pump that we're gonna overhaul. You see there's a leak at the bottom there. It's leaking. I think at the back and the seal it's leaking. So we're gonna remove the belt first. This one. We're gonna loosen this one and loosen this one also. I think this one's the alternator tensioner. We're gonna loosen this one also. Alternator thingy. Alternator bracket bolt. Oops. Steel 12 mil. Go. Yep, it's moving already. It's moving already. We can, it's already loosened. We can remove this one. There you go. This one is quite stiffy. The rubber is too hard already. I'm gonna grab this one first, the fluid, so I will not be messy later. There we go. I think I need a gun. I need a gun. Remove these. This one will create a mess. It's rags here. Not much. Thought it will. There it is. There's a fluid there. Suck that one again. Beep 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 beep. But I think I can do it. Yeah, there you go. This one will make a mess also. Okay, you see it will make a mess, but it's only a little. Okay, put it. Oh, that one is hitting the little thingy there. So we're gonna remove the whole bracket. Okay, we're gonna remove whole bracket because you cannot remove there. It's hitting the bypass hose. Okay, fair enough. We're gonna remove this bracket to remove the pump. 10-12 mil there. You need a wobble one like this one to access that 12 mil there inside. There you go. Okay. Then there is, I think, if I'm not mistaken, there's still 12 bolts here. There is one. So two. I can feel 2 bolts at the bottom. Another one is there. I'll remove that one. Still 12 mil. Okay. Now it's going out. I thought that you're gonna remove only one here, and one here, but you cannot remove this one because of that pipe there. So we're gonna remove whole bracket. The whole bracket to remove the pump. You see, it's leaking fluid, and it's going to timing belt also. So we're gonna need to overhaul this one. Okay, you can remove the pump now on the bracket. There we go. Where's that 12 mil? I think there's a seal. Yeah, there's a seal there. We're gonna replace that one also. There's nothing there. Nothing will drop there, like a ball bearing or something. Nothing. Good. We're gonna remove this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 mil. Nothing special there. No, it's all the same. All the same. But before that, it's better we're gonna mark it. Mark it first. There you go. And that's it. That's the first part. The freaking where's the... I think I have a wrong parts for this one. There we go. I can see a spring there. O-ring. Where's the... I think we have a wrong parts. Because this one is quite small. Ah, we got our wrong parts. We got the wrong parts, mate. Yeah, because there's no seal. Wrong parts again.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna